Hello children, welcome to another session of Science Class 4. Today we will understand Lesson 10 and will solve exercise of Lesson 10. This lesson will help you to understand the relationship between living things and their habitat and to evaluate how animals adapt to their habitat and to analyze how these adaptations help animals survive. So let's revise. So what is adaptation? An adaptation is a way an animal's body helps it to survive or live in its environment. Animals depend on their physical features to help them obtain food, keep safe, and build homes. And these physical features are called physical adaptation. Living things are adapted to the habitat they live in. This is because they have these special features that help them to survive. They makes it possible for the animal to live in a particular way. Examples of the basic adaptations that help animals survive are shape of a bird's beak, the number of fingers, color of the fur, the thickness or thinness of the fur, the shape of the nose or ears. Some animals have scales and some animals have spots. So this diversity in appearance and behavior is caused by animal adaptation. So like plants, animals have also developed certain features which help them to survive in the environment, and those animals that cannot adapt to the changes in their environment slowly die out. For example, dinosaur. Now let's understand animal classification on the absence or presence of a backbone. So, human like you can move because your body is supported by an internal skeleton which works as a support structure for your body. It gives the body its shape and allow movement. But not all animals walk and run around like humans. Their skeleton have adapted to different forms of movement, like fish swim because their long flexible backs and strong fins allow them to swim through water easily. And even like frog hops because their strong back legs and large feet help them to jump. And birds fly because their arms have turned into wings. Some animals like insects have a completely different type of skeleton which are invertebrate. Means an animal without a backbone. So invertebrates live in every part of the world. In fact, most of the animals on earth are invertebrate. Invertebrates come in all different shape and size. So animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. For example, insects such as cockroach, ant and worms, and such as slug and snail. And insects have 6 legs and their body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. And most insects have a hard outer covering made up of material called chitin. A few insects such as mosquitoes and butterflies can fly. Now let's understand about vertebrates. All vertebrates have muscles and skeleton that help them to move around easily and perform complex moves. Even they have bones that are inside a body and which gives them their shape and allows them to stand erect. So, animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates, and they can be further divided into smaller groups like fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Now let's understand about habitat of animal. So a habitat is a special place where a plant or animal lives, just like you have a home or a place to live. Same way, animals also have their home. So, as you know, animals are found in every part of the world. Some live in forest, others live in hot and sandy desert. Some live in lakes, rivers, and the sea. And they are even found in very cold areas like Arctic, where the ice never melts. So humans live in many different parts of the world. They eat many kind of food. They wear different clothes to suit the weather, whether it is hot or cold. But animals and plants can only live in places where the weather suits them. So animals live in places where they get the right food. A fish can only live in water. Animals with a thick furry coat live in very cold places. So the place where an animal can live is called its habitat. So animals are found everywhere, on land, on trees, flying in the air, and in water. So some animals are also found on both land and water. So based on where animals spend most of their time, they can be grouped into terrestrial animal, arboreal animals, aerial animals, aquatic animal, and amphibians and animals. Now let's understand what do animals eat. So as you know, different animals eat different things. All animals need food to survive. And all animals eat many different kind of food, including other animals, fish, nuts, seeds, tree leaves, branches, insect, and grass. So based on the type of food they eat, they can be divided into 5 main groups. So let's revise. Question 4, CIRCLE, circle, THE, the, ODD, odd, ONE, one, O-U-T, out. Circle the odd one out. First word M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Second word R-A-T, rat. Third word S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. And fourth word S-L-U-G, slug. So, as you know, animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. An example of invertebrate is worm such as slug, which is fourth word here. But here monkey, rat and squirrel are example of animals with backbone, means vertebrate animal. So fourth word S-L-U-G, slug, is different from first three words. So we have to circle fourth word S-L-U-G, slug. Now first word C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H, cockroach. Second word L-A-D-Y-B-I-R-D, ladybird. Third word S-N-A-I-L, snail. And fourth word S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. So here cockroach, ladybird and snail are animals without backbones, means they are invertebrates. But fourth word squirrel is animal with backbone. So fourth is different from first three words, so we have to circle S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Now next, first word E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Second word K-I-W-I, kiwi. Third word P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. And fourth word S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. So here eagle, pigeon and sparrow are example of birds which can fly. But second bird, which is K-I-W-I, kiwi, is flightless bird, means which cannot fly, because kiwi has a heavy body. So here kiwi is different from other three birds, as it is a flightless bird. So we have to circle kiwi. Now next, first word D-E-E-R, deer. G-O-A-T, goat. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. And fourth word B-E-A-R, bear. Now here deer, goat and rabbit are example of herbivorous animals, means animals that eat only plants. But fourth animal, which is B-E-A-R, bear, is example of omnivorous, means animal that eat plant as well as the flesh of other animal. So here B-E-A-R, bear, is different from other three animals, so we have to circle that. Now next, V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Second word L-I-O-N, lion. Third word T-I-G-E-R, tiger. And fourth word S-N-A-K-E, snake. Here vulture is example of scavenger, means there are some flesh eating animals that feed on the flesh of dead animals. And other three, lion, tiger and snake, are example of carnivorous, means animals that eat the flesh of other animals. So we have to circle first word vulture, vulture. So let's revise. Question 5. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First, animals, animals. Usually, usually. Divided, into. TWO, large, groups, those, with a dash, and those, without. So the question is, animals are usually divided into two large groups, those with a dash and those without. So answer is backbone. So as you know that based on the absence or presence of backbone, animals can be divided into two groups, which are animals that do not have backbone, which are invertebrates, and animals that have a backbone, which are vertebrates. Now next, animals, animals, with backbone, include. So the question is, animals with a backbone include. So as you know that animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates, and they can be further divided into smaller groups, which are fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals. Now next, the body, of insect, is divided, into dash, parts. So the question is, the body of an insect is divided into dash parts. So answer is 3. So which are head, thorax and abdomen. So as you know that insects have 6 legs and their body is divided into 3 parts, which are head, thorax and abdomen. So answer is 3. Now next, dash, animals, have, sharp, close, climb, climb, trees, trees. So the question is, dash animals have sharp claws to climb trees? Answer is arboreal, arboreal, which means that land animals that live mostly on trees. Now next, most, aquatic, animals, animals, have, dash, that, help, them, to, swim. So the question is, most aquatic animals have dash that help them to swim. So as you know that fish is the group which consists of large variety of animals that live in water, and these animals breathe through gills and they have fins to swim. So answer is, most aquatic animals have fins that help them to swim. Now let's understand and write. Answer the following question. First, WHAT, what? DO, do. YOU, UNDERSTAND, understand. BY, by. ADAPTATION, adaptation. So the question is, what do you understand by adaptation? Answer, ADAPTATION, adaptation, MEANS, means TO, to, BE, FIT, fit, in, NEW, new, PLACE, place, OR, or, SITUATION, situation, SO, so, THAT, that, IT, it, IS, is, EASY, easy, TO, to, LIVE, live. So answer is, adaptation means to be fit in new place or situation so that it is easy to live. Now next, HOW, how, DO, do, ANIMALS, animals, in, COLD, cold, REGION, region, KEEP, keep, THEMSELVES, themselves, warm. How do animals in cold region keep themselves warm? Answer, ANIMALS, animals, THAT, that, LIVE, live, in, VERY, very, COLD, cold, PLACES, places, HAVE, have, THICK, thick, FUR, fur, on, THEIR, there, BODY, body, WHICH, which, PROTECTS, protect, THEM, them, FROM, from, cold, cold. So answer is animals that live in very cold places have thick fur on their body which protects them from cold. Now next, WHAT, what vertebrates, vertebrates. So the question is, what are vertebrates? Answer animals, animals. THAT, that HAVE, have BACKBONE, backbone. RERCALLED, cold. VERTEBRATES, vertebrates. So answer is animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates. Now next, WHAT, what INVERTEBRATES, invertebrates. So the question is, what are invertebrates? Answer ANIMALS, animals. THAT, that do, NOT, not. HAVE, have. BACKBONE, backbone. RERCALLED, cold. INVERTEBRATES, invertebrates. So answer is animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. Now next, WHAT, what ARERPARASITES, parasites. So the question is, what are parasites? Answer SOME, some. SMALL, small. ANIMALS, animals. DERIVE, derive. THEIR, there. NUTRITION, nutrition. FROM, from. OTHER, other. LIVING, living. ORGANISMS, organism. So answer is some small animals derive their nutrition from other living organisms are called parasites. Now next, WRITE, write. TWO, two. EXAMPLES, examples. of PARASITES, parasites. So the question is, write two examples of parasites. Answer TAPEWORM, tapeworm. and ROUNDWORM, roundworm. AREREXAMPLES, examples. of PARASITES, parasites. So answer is tapeworm and roundworm are examples of parasites. So today we have learned that based on the presence or absence of backbone, animals can be divided into two groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. And animals with a backbone or vertebrates can be further divided into groups such as fish, birds, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals. Then animals can also be grouped according to the place they live in. They may be terrestrial, aquatic, amphibian, arboreal, and aerial. Then animals can be also grouped as herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, scavengers, or parasites, depending on their feeding habits.